Hill from DoneRight Management. We are doing a quick video tutorial over at the Angus Lakefront Adventures vacation rental property. And so on HDMI 2, we have the Roku setup, which is going to allow you to have the streaming selection. With the Samsung control, we push the source, and we can scroll through. So on component 1, we actually have the DVD player, which is right down in here. So as we continue scrolling through, we've got DirecTV on HDMI 1. So if you have any questions on this television and the operation, it's pretty straightforward, fairly easy to use. You have the Roku remote, you have the DirecTV remote, and then the Samsung television remote. So if you have any questions on the operation, you can reach out to us. As far as the Roku goes, you're going to use your own login information. We do not provide a login to Amazon, Netflix, Hulu. Those are going to be your accounts. So if you have any questions or you need further assistance, you can reach out to us. There are a bunch of DVDs. We've got lots of selections. There are options from young to old, from classics, as you can see. So if there are things that you're looking to watch, they've got a lot of great options for you here. Any other further questions, you can reach out to us at 208-634-0030. Cheers.